Hey there, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and you recently spoke to my partner Jeff and requested this free video. So today what we're going to do is show you a few tips you can start applying right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence and generating more organic leads. All right, so searching for your business here, I noticed that at one point you may have had a website and you don't any longer. I do notice that you have a Google My Business profile, so that is a really good start. You're definitely going to want to make sure you have this profile fully optimized, utilizing all of the information about you and going after your keywords specific to your drywall business or any other services you may have in addition. Um, you want to have more images than your competitors. You want to make sure that you're getting more Google reviews and that this is just fully optimized for you. Because I'm going to jump over here. If I search drywall contractors in Los Angeles, you want to be in the top 3 of the maps here because 30% of people actually search here and don't search anywhere else. So if you're not in the top 3 for your service area and your keywords, then you send all of your leads and potential customers to your competitors. So in order to get in the top 3, you have to really optimize your Google My Business profile, and you're going to have more citations. And a citation is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places and directories like LinkedIn, Facebook, Yellow Pages, Glassdoor, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your competitors. Now, the other part of this is the organic. So organically, nearly 70% of people actually come past the ads, past the Google, and actually come down here and look down here. These are your organic listings. And so this is why you want to be number 1 on the first page of Google. You want to be able to grab these positions because nearly 70% will come from here. Now, a website by itself won't be enough to be on the first page of Google. It does need to be properly built and optimized, and then supported. So if we look at your top competitor for drywall in Los Angeles, organically, we have Perfection Drywall. Love that they have the phone number on top, making it super easy for their customers to reach them. They should have this as a click to call because most people are using their cell phones now. Another great feature to have would be a form right on top so that the customers can contact them either way, phone or by form. Now, Google does not rank websites based on appearance. They are based on content. So content, written content is going to be key. And also the optimization of your photos with keywords and location. Now, when it comes to content, Google likes to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. You're always going to need more content than your competitors, but this needs to be focused around each of your services and the buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for in your service area. So that's going to be really, really important. And then if you're servicing multiple cities and areas, it would be good to consider having separate service area pages so that you can come up in those locations as well when people are searching for your services. So that would be something I would really advise doing. And these guys have done a great job here. They've broken out there's between residential and commercial, installation, repair, painting, plastering. So this way they are able to focus on keywords related to each of those. So each of those need their own page and their own original content focusing on their own keywords. But these guys have quite a bit of content, so if you were to build a website, you'd have to make sure you have more content than they have. But overall, they've done a pretty good job. They're also doing blogging, which, if done correctly, could be really powerful for your website. Unfortunately, that's not what they're doing. So, a website by itself is not going to be enough to be found online. You do have to have search engine optimization to support your website. So if we look at their search engine optimization, they're doing pretty good. They have a 17 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which is based on their backlinks and referring domains. A referring domain is any website that will provide your website with a link from their website to your website. And the backlink is that physical link coming from another website to your website. And the whole purpose of that is to drive traffic to your website. But not all of these are created equal. And while you do need a whole lot of these, you want to make sure you're only getting the good ones that are going to help your website, the ones that are most related to your business and that are do follows. So if we look here, they only have 197 that are do follows. So to be able to start to beat them online, you would have to have more than 197 in quantity and quality. They have been indexed for over 1,900 different keywords and are getting over 1,400 people on average to their website. However, if we actually look at their keywords, majority of their keywords are actually national keywords. And unfortunately, national keywords are not going to bring you local customers unless you are servicing the entire United States. So what these guys have been doing, because of lower search volume, they have been writing blog articles for higher search volume related to their trade and getting those to rank to the first page of Google. So what happens is all this traffic that they're getting, a very small percentage, if any, probably none, are local. So they're getting all these people from across the country on their website to read their articles, but they're never converting into a customer. So if you want to do blogging, you would have to actually focus on your local keywords to get those to rank. And then blogging could be pretty powerful. But other than that, you really should be focusing on your local keywords. And the more service areas you do, the more opportunities you have, as well as with other services. So that's going to be a pretty important factor. But now, if you follow each of these tips that I've shown you today, you have great potential online. You would have the opportunity for your website to be number one on Google in your service area for each of your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.